Hi guys, welcome back to this wonderful channel. My good name is Nelita Unscripted, and as you all know guys, this channel is only for good vibes, and if you don't have good vibes, we don't allow that in this channel. So make sure you have the good vibes vibing in. But before we start, please like, share and subscribe. Just click that subscribe button and comment what you think we're going to be doing today as the look of this. And our guest today is my mom.
Hi, welcome to Delta Unscripted.
Yeah.
Welcome. Just like, comment, and share.
Yeah, share
and subscribe.
Yeah, you subscribe, guys. So today it's my first time cooking in this channel. So we are going to be cooking. Guess what? Onion chapatis, the African way. So come and learn. So first, here are our ingredients. First we have oil. Then we have onions, an onion, salt, dough for making flour, flour for making chapati, and warm water. So first you need to warm your water before making this. And so these are all the ingredients which you need to make chapati, the African way. First step, you're going to be grating the onion. So we have already removed the peel. Now it's grating time. And we're going to grate using a grater. So it's just like this. But be careful. Make sure that you have a grown up with you. And be careful not to hurt yourself. Okay, it's really hard. Okay, guys, what is this? Just look. That's only what I've made. With all that grating. See you in a bit when I'm done waiting. So guys, one tip: if you want your chopping board to not move, you need a cloth which has been wrung out of water, but you have squeezed it to put on the table or any surface so that you can put your chopping board. Number one, that's a tip. If you want for better cutting of onions or carrots, all things, use that tip. So guys, this is how it looks when grated. So you see, it's really much. Now, after we've done this, we take a basin, then we add flour. Wait. You add the amount you want, and that amount, it says how much chapati you want to make. Guys, so this is the amount which we are going to be using, like that. So next we add onions and salt. So all of this is going to enter here. Then we add the salt. Tablespoon, sorry. 1 teaspoon. We spread it evenly like that. Then now we add the water. First we stir, then we add the water. So guys, now we stir all of this. Okay. so satisfying. You start off. You start and start. I'm making a very big mess. Like that. So guys, after mixing, we are going to be making a hole at the center. You can even use your hands. Using your hands or cooking stick. You make a hole at the center and then you add warm water. You see it's steaming warm. Just a little. And then you mix.
Fanya polepole juu na mwaga sana ndio itatia kazi nyingi.
Like this. Mix and mix. Mixy. So guys, continue adding water as you stir. You see, I'm continuing to add water until it starts looking like mud. It's really hard, guys. Guys, I'm only 11 and I'm cooking chapati. But even you can use your hands. It's just that I don't want to get dirty, and I'm the one doing all of this. Okay. So guys, my mom is helping here because it's really hard. Yeah. Make sure if it's too hard for you, just ask a parent or a guardian to help. So now guys, we're going to add 2 spoons of oil after mixing. 1 and 2. Then we mix. Mix it. So now guys, we're going to be now using our hands. So at this step, you need to put your flour at a plate or anything which is metallic, I guess. I'm just guessing. Now here we are going to be using our hands, guys. Okay, it's really messy. Okay, I love this. I love to do this work, guys, because it's really fun and interesting. It's like playing with mud, but cooking mud. You're just playing with cooking mud. Guys, look at this. So guys, we're going to be keeping on adding water. Yeah. So guys, now this is what we have, guys. You see? Whoa, I'm stuck. Okay. Now we're gonna be putting it on the table. Yeah. It's really hard. Just look, guys. Look at my hands. It's really messy. My hands are looking like for a ghost. Yike. So, if you want to remove, you can add oil to your hands so that it's really easy to remove. See, it's getting easy to remove. Okay. So I'm going to let it sit for a while and come back. Okay. It's not easy. The people who always say that it's easy cooking chapati, it's easy. It is easy. It's not. So see you guys soon. So guys, this is how the dough looks like. Guys, isn't it wonderful? Yeah. So okay, let's put eyes. So we're just going to wait a few minutes before we start rolling. That's a smile, guys. So let's wait for a few minutes. So guys, after a few minutes later, it's time to roll these up. So we're going to be rolling this. Okay. We roll it. We roll it. We roll it. We roll it. So guys, now we are rolling. Rolling this big. It's really big, guys. Just see. It's really big. Going to stretch it out. Keep on rolling. Rolling until maybe the end. Yep. So guys, now we are done making rolling. Now we are going to be oiling it. So you do like this with a spoon. While you're oiling. Make sure you're filling every space. So guys, even you can use your hand. You can use your hand too. It's like you're washing or scrubbing the floor. You spread it evenly. So guys, now we're going to be using this to cut. So guys, this is how we cut it. You do firstly like that, you see. Then we start again. Start again. Again. And again. So guys, now we are going to be folding. You fold them like this. Like this. Then you, after folding, you can tuck it in like that. Then press softly. Like continue with the process. You. So guys, you're done making this. Now it's rolling time. So you spread a little bit of flour. You spread it everywhere. Then you pick one. You flatten it. So now Now guys, we're going to be rolling. You turn when you roll. Then add some flour on top. Turn. Make it big and bigger. And even you can do like this. Like that. Add some flour again. So guys, this is the first one which I've rolled. How does it look, guys? So I'm going to continue with the others until like they are 5 so that I can start cooking them. Yeah. Next we have this one. Just press it a little bit into the flour. Then you press it flat. Then you do like this. Then you start rolling. So guys, now we're gonna be putting the chapati. Okay. Not used to doing it like that. So me, I'm just used to doing it like this. Oi. So make sure guys you have a grown up there with you so that you cannot be burnt. So guys, now we're going to be doing like this before we turn it. And we're going to be using this to flip it. Now turn the chapati. So guys, look how it's looking like. It's okay. We're ready to cook. So guys, now we apply some oil. Apply again. It's time to take out. Nope. Okay, so you all know my mother is a chef. So I'm still learning. So guys, this is how it looks like. So guys, now we're done. Look at that. It's so crispy. So thank you guys for watching up to here. Love you guys. Bye. Peace.